bag it. And if you want to, you could even put a plastic bag over the top of your suitcase to protect your clothes in case it rains. The goal is we usually leave in the morning so we get up there before it rains, but just in case. You never know. It's like Florida, you never know. Let's see, so that's the raincoat. Personal medications, if you have anything, but it's a good idea to bring Imodium, Pepto, Benadryl for any allergies. You never know what you could be allergic to. If you get, a mosquito bite, it's a different kind of mosquito. You might be allergic. Benadryl's just a good idea to have with you. Pain reliever, prescriptions, any kind of personal medications. But I usually take a little first aid kit too with Band-Aids. I think that's on here. Am I jumping ahead? I am. Next item is first aid kit. Band-Aids, Neosporin, anti-itch cream, just a little Ziploc bag with each of those things in it. I'll have it too, but I don't have enough for all 12 of you. So if you have your own, that's great. But as far as medicines, I won't distribute those because you really should provide your own. But for Band-Aids and Neosporin. I was like a nurse last year. Remember, I was at Casa San Pablo, and everybody, this person had an itch, that person had a cut. So bring your own if you can. If not, I'll have some, but bring your own. Earplugs. Sounds unusual, but the roosters have no idea of what dawn is, and they crow all night.
Do they have cookies over there?
No. But the roosters crow all night. And in the Capitol, it's a little loud too. So the first time I didn't take earplugs, I don't need earplugs. I can sleep through anything. I cannot sleep through roosters.
I used to have a rooster.
Did you?
Yeah, it crowed like 5 in the morning, 3 in the morning.
Yeah, like,
But you just get used to it after a while. Like over time, when you keep hearing it, you don't even hear it.
4 weeks was not long enough for me. I still heard the stupid rooster. So earplugs is always a good suggestion. Okay, a backpack is a good idea, and I recommend a backpack to take up to the middle school so you can carry your water bottle in it, carry your snacks in it, your handy wipes, and your supplies for your science project. It's just a good idea to have a backpack for your poncho and all of those things. So if you have a backpack for school, you could use that. And then these are the things to carry with you. You already have them with you. Your raincoat, your canteen or water bottle, a flashlight. Heaven forbid, I never needed a flashlight. But anyway, insect repellent, sunscreen, and a snack. A hat's always a good idea. The next note, do not wear military clothing or camouflage. The police wear that, and it is illegal for people to wear it. So if you have a camouflage shirt or the pants, even a bag, camouflage is police wear, so we can't wear it. We already talked about light jacket. So those are the supplies for packing. Any questions on what to bring? The next thing I would like to go through is procedure from the morning you depart, like from when you leave your house until you get to the Capitol, and just so you have an idea of what to expect when you get there. As far as the flight, you are leaving at 12:24. You're going to be there 2 hours before the flight time to be in line, which means 10:24. But before we do that, you will need to weigh your bags, and they have scales off to the side. You're going to need to weigh your bags to make sure they are 50 pounds or less, and they don't play around. If it's 51, they'll make you take something out. So you need to weigh it before, and if you are, heaven forbid, at 51, then you need to find someone in your group that's at 49 and figure out 1 pound of stuff that you can give to them before you all get in line, because you all have to weigh your bags and make sure that everybody's 50 pounds or less before you get in line. Otherwise, it will hold the whole line up, hold the group up, and that's not good. So 10:24 is 2 hours. You need at least 15 minutes to weigh your bags. So that puts us at what, 10:10? 10:10 to meet at the airport.
If you think you're close, go to Publix. Take your bags to Publix. Throw them on the scale out in the entryway. Most of them have the scales.
Yep.
And I know some of you are internally processing this in, and you can't proceed it 2 hours ahead of time, come on. An hour and a half is fine. And I know some of you will be thinking that. With a big group, you can't do that. Because any little hiccup, any problem in the documentation, any problem with anything, somebody's on a watch list, and it can happen very easily. We're messed up, the whole group's messed up. So we need time to deal with anything. And this isn't just me or you that's going to be delayed, it's the entire trip. So we really need to, be checking in 2 hours before the flight starts, which means getting there ready to go a good 15 minutes before that.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So 10:10, is that?
Yes, and we're saying that with particular emphasis because we haven't all of us always been paragons of timeliness.
So then you'll meet at the airport at 10:10. You'll do all your weigh-ins and exchanges of suitcase items if you need to. Everybody's at 50 pounds. You'll go through the line together. And then you'll go up to the counter, show them your passport, and you will all get your ticket itineraries. I'm going to bring these with you. I'll hand them out as we go through. You'll get your tickets, you'll get your seat assignments, and then you get to go through security. And here, they're going to check your passport again, they're going to check your ticket again, they're going to run your bag, your carry-on through scanner. They will likely search it, especially if you have any of your science project things on the plane, because it might look suspicious. So you have to allow time for them to open bags and search. And if you have a belt buckle or something, they're going to make you take that off and shake your shoes off. If you haven't been through airport security lately, it's intense. So don't put anything suspicious looking in your carry-on bag. Like if you're doing the wire experiment, I wouldn't put your wires in your carry-on bag. Just not a good idea. If you've got a lot of batteries and things, it might not be a good idea to put those in your carry-on bags. Nothing that's going to look suspicious because they're pretty tight with security.
You don't put the batteries with wires wrapped around them.
Just not a good idea.
Can you imagine?
Not a good idea.
Yeah, no, that would really hold us up through security.
Are we still going to get mission shirts?
Yes, you'll get your mission shirts tonight, and you'll wear your mission shirts to the airport. That way it's real easy to find everybody. And these, I'll hand out too. And thanks to Bridget, they're all organized and ready to go. So we'll get mission shirts. You'll wear these to the airport. And what I recommend is you wear them the first day, because that way it's real easy to spot everybody and everybody's together. And then people talk to you, oh, cool, you're on a mission trip. What are you doing? And it's real nice. And then what you might want to do is put them away, keep them clean, and then wear them again on the way back. And that way you're on the airplane and all of you will have the same shirts on again on the way back. So that's an idea for the shirts. But definitely wear them on the way down. It's just an easy way to stay together. Yeah.
They allow you to carry-ons, right?
No.
Only one?
Personal item in a carry-on.
Right.
So a handbag in a carry-on,
Yeah.
a small backpack in a carry-on.
Right. Yeah. But not two carry-ons.
Carry-on can be a small piece of luggage.
Yeah. They have a little box there that you test it and you put your luggage in. If it doesn't fit in the box, you have to check it.
Yeah, but it can be like a backpack in there.